If you want to change lock screen wallpaper on Motorola Edge 70 Pro, then first of all, we're gonna open the settings. Now over here in settings, so we need to find the personalized option, which is over here. And then we're gonna tap on the lock screen wallpaper over here. We have the preview of the lock screen and home screen wallpapers. What we can do now is at the bottom, we can, for example, choose one of these options to choose the wallpaper. Let's say I'm gonna go to curated images, and then we're gonna tap on more wallpapers here at the bottom. Now wait a couple of seconds, and you should be able to find a bunch of different categories. Of course, instead of going for curated images, you can choose a photo from your gallery that you want to choose as a wallpaper. That works too. And let's say I'm gonna go to this live category over here, and we should be able to find a bunch of different wallpapers that we can, of course, use on our phone. And let's say I'm gonna choose something like this one over here. Wait a couple of seconds to load the wallpaper. There we go. We should be able to still tap on the lock screen to make some adjustments. So we should be able to zoom in, zoom out, make some adjustments, and so on and so forth. And then we're going to tap on this check in the upper right corner, and now we can set the wallpaper. Since we want to set the lock screen wallpaper, I'm going to uncheck the home screen over here, and I'm going to tap on set to set up the wallpaper. And there we go. Now we have a new lock screen wallpaper on our phone. Leave a like and subscribe.